Moana Pasifika begin a busy revamp schedule of Super Rugby Pacific here at Mount Smart Stadium tonight, and what will be their first of 6 games in just over 3 weeks as they play host to a Hurricane side that hasn't featured since round 3. Goes to Iose. One of the many options in this impressive Hurricanes lineup. Breaking through the line is Geordie Barrett. He might go the way. Will Barrett's in.
TJ Piranala with the miss pass out to Peter Umanga Jensen, who gives a beautiful ball out to Geordie Barrett with the timing. What a start, Canes.
Okay, you got to use it now.
Told to use it, so Jonathan Tamateni has his hands on it. Levi Almoa talked about him in the build-up. Such a dangerous man. They've got an advantage now, Moana Pasifika. Taking chance their arm here. Tamateni looking for the reply.
Advantage.
They've got another one. They're close. They're over. Henry Time Stowers gets it. He made a big turnover earlier in the lead up to this try. And Moana Pasifika on the board at Mount Smart. As Christian Lelefano makes no mistake, converts the try to Henry Time Stowers. And 24 gone in South Auckland. It's 7 apiece. 2 yellow cards to Moana Pasifika, but they're in the fight here at Mount Smart. At the break, it's 7 points apiece. Hurricanes, Moana Pasifika. Lelefano, right at Neria for Mai, shifting it for Havili, getting the ball away beautifully. Hanga Nuku spitting out the back, Moana Pasifika, but will come back.
He goes in then, Aidan Morgan commits, lifts him, and I think he's going to be in a bit of trouble there, KT.
Geordie Barrett up in the line, Morgan now shifting on Umanga Jensen, ball back on the inside, beautifully, Morby! Josh Morby's going to score on debut!
Inside ball from Peter Umanga Jensen, and then he just pins his ears back, makes a great decision, gets busy, and gets rewarded with a try, KT.
Look at this work there from Peter Umanga Jensen. Just a nice pass, draws in his defender, eyes him up, and then this kid here, Josh Morby, absolutely shreds him.
Liliafano away for Avili, over the top for Funaki. Ball around the corner for Tima Whainga Nuku. And away is Almoa! Levi Almoa's going to score, is he? Yes! Moana Pasifika score their second try and they're back in it.
Yeah, it's the offload game, Jeff. They're keeping the ball alive. They're not wrapping up the Hurricanes.
Roigard, there's Karifi waiting. Aidan Morgan, beautiful little pass, Aidan Morgan. Here they come through, Delaney, ball away. Feet out, Alex, feet out.
Wow, what a try, Alex Fidel on the outside, finishing off a great try. It all started with Ruben Love at the back, decisive, making the decision, half break, getting through the gap.
Ruben Love, beautiful kick. And a bit of pressure coming, but it is there for Time Stowers off the back. Hurricanes hanging on, Moana Pasifika score! Solomoni Funaki. Well, he scored their first try in Super Rugby a few weeks ago. And he gets a massive one tonight at Mount Smart. Through it goes, Christian Liliafano, 19 apiece at Mount Smart. Player gets it in, more weight coming, the Hurricanes. Time Stowers dabs it into touch and will go to Golden Point at Mount Smart.
Turnover's good.
And it's a big turnover for Moana Pasifika.
Turnover's good.
They survived the raid, and now they'll look to turn the Hurricanes around. What's the bounce like? What's the kick like? It's brilliant! What's the chase like? It's magic! Danny Koala, can you believe it?
What has happened? Moana Pasifika, they've stolen it! They have stolen it! History has made! Moana, Pasifika, you can see what it means to them. They're going to go upstairs and check it. Have a look.
Just checking home.
Hasn't been scored yet.
No.
But for me,
it's
from
clear,
looking,
mate,
it
it's a
looks
try.
sweet. He's kicked the ball, Danny Tuala. He has made the kick. And he has made the decision.
The game is over. Moana Pasifika create history at Mount Smart. It went to extra time. They survived a raid by the Hurricanes. And that man, Danny Tuala, has sealed it 24-19.
Oh, what a turnover here. They've been very, very good all night at the breakdown. They've turned it over. Solomoni Funaki makes the decision, hits Tuala. He kicks it down here, backs it up with a great chase. Turn a bad kick into a great kick by chasing hard. He does that, pops it up, and Danny Tuala scores the try, creates history. Moana Pasifika ruined my picks, but I don't care. Well done.